Welcome back, students. So in this video I will explain what is a pinhole camera and how to make it. So pinhole camera means it's a camera, doesn't have any lens, but a small pinhole is there. So through this pinhole the light will pass through it and you will get an image on the screen. Okay, that's a pinhole camera. So I will tell you how to make it. Actually it's made up of cardboard, chart paper, or you can make two boxes. Okay, one box should go inside the other one. Okay, so there is no gap between these two tubes, or if you are using two boxes, there should not be any gap between that two boxes. So this one is a simple technique. Instead of taking box, all those things, you need to take two pieces of chart paper, roll it in the form of this tube. One side of it is covered with a tracing paper. So this tracing paper will act as a screen, and the other one side is covered with the same cardboard piece or chart paper, and make a hole at the middle. Okay, so this one acts as a pinhole. Now you can insert this one into the first one and you can view buildings or trees. So you will get an inverted image. Inverted image means if the object look like this, its image will be like this. Inverted image. So when you view through this pinhole camera, the image will be an inverted one. Now I will explain the theory of this pinhole camera. The theory is light travels in a straight line. That's the theory of this pinhole camera, or rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear propagation of light. That's the theory of pinhole camera. Now this one is a pinhole camera. This one is a object. This is a image. This one is a image. Okay. Now I will draw it here. This one is a object. So light from the top of this object falls at the bottom of the screen. Here light travels in a straight line. Light from the top of this object falls at the bottom of the screen. This one is a screen. Now light from the bottom of this object falls on the top of the screen. Light from the bottom of this object falls on the top of the screen. So on this screen you will get an image. On this screen you will get an image, and the size of the image will be a diminished one. This one I will show you here. Suppose this one is a screen. Okay, here you will get the image. The image will be like this. So light from the bottom of the screen meets at the top of the screen. Light from the top of this object meets at the bottom of the screen. So here this one is a screen. On the screen you will get an image. That image is an inverted one. So the principle of pinhole camera is rectilinear propagation of light, means light travels in a straight line. So that can be used to view various objects like trees, building, etc. Then on certain sunny days you can see bright patches of light you can see under the shade of trees. Bright circular patches of sun. That is actually the image of the sun. Actually the image of sun. Here light travels through the gap between the leaves, and under that tree on the ground you can see small circular bright pattern of the sun or bright circular images of the sun. Okay, that's from nature we can see a pinhole camera. Nature, the leaves of the trees will act as a pinhole, the sun is the source of the light, and the ground will act as a screen. Okay. So, when you sit under a tree covered with a large number of leaves, we often see bright circular patches of light on the ground. These bright circular patches of light are the pinhole images of the sun. These bright circular patches, actually it's a pinhole image of the sun. This is because the small holes between the cluster of the leaves act as a pinhole, and the light coming from the sun passes through these natural pinholes to form bright circular images of the sun on the ground below the tree. On the ground below the tree. In this case, the sun is the object, the tiny gaps between the leaves are the pinholes, and the ground act as a screen. So, here this butter paper will act as a screen. This butter paper will act as the screen, and you will get an image here. You will get an image here. Now, the same technique you can use to view eclipse also. Okay, we can't view through our naked eye. We can make a pinhole camera, and on the screen you will get the image of that eclipse. So, you can view eclipse also using this pinhole camera. You can't view with our naked eye. Okay. So, working of pinhole camera is rectilinear propagation of light, or light travels in a straight line. How to make it? You need two chart papers. Make it in the form of a tube. One is smaller and one is bigger, but there is no gap between these two. It should move inside this one. There should not be any gap between these two. Then this butter paper will act as a screen. Here a pinhole is here. So, the light will pass through this pinhole, and you will get the image on this screen. Okay. So, you have to make it. That is an activity for you. Do it at home and submit it when the school reopens. It's clear? Okay. Thank you.